Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming fuel level and the stabilizer dose. Measure precisely. Pour the stabilizer into the tank first, then top off with gas to mix evenly. Once done, engage the fuel system. Prime or run the engine for 1 to 2 minutes so the treated fuel reaches the carburetor or injectors. Make sure to tighten the gas cap and wipe spills. This early action prevents varnish and keeps seals pliable, so the chemistry works before storage or transport. Once the stabilizer is circulating, shift attention to the rest of the fuel system. You should inspect lines, filters, and seals for cracks or degradation so treated fuel doesn't leak or trap contaminants. If your motorcycle is carbureted and you plan more than 3 months storage, add fogging oil to cylinders after running the engine dry to protect internal parts. Make sure to label the tank with the date. That helps you decide when to replace fuel or retreat it. You finish by running the bike to operating temperature so the stabilizer has circulated, then shut it off and store the motorcycle upright in a cool, shaded spot to minimize vapor loss. If storage will exceed 12 months, plan to drain or replace fuel before riding. If you encounter problems, SEDs, phase separation, or poor starting, check whether the additives separated. Shake the stabilizer container, confirm correct dosage, and, if needed, drain contaminated fuel and flush.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.